guys! We're at the plane, going to Cebu. Last to board kami dahil super chika pa kami. I have my friend with me. Tomorrow we're going to... Bukas yun na lang malaman. See you in Cebu! Bye! Good morning! We're at Cebu Airport. By the way, I would say, I didn't tell you kung sino kasama ko. Kung nakikita niyo, bago na po ang outfit ko dahil nakitira po kami kanila. Sandra and Ari, if you're watching this, thank you. See you again when we get back.
0, 1.
Lot, galingan mo, Lot. Camera 360.
You got to get a hold of yourself.
Hi, John.
Scary. I'm holding on for dear life. This is where my gym is applicable. First meal in Japan. Red salmon and salt onigiri from 7-Eleven before we head to the train. 2:47 p.m. na gutom na ako. Gutom? Hi guys! We're in the train. We're inside the train. We're going to our hotel, Airbnb. Time check is about 5 p.m. and we are still trying to get home. We're currently at the train station, figuring out how to go home. Akin na hindi, tama. Akin yun. Ang hirap. Oh shit, paano na yung isa walang handle? Welcome to Tokyo! So after a very, very struggleful, papunta from the, where was that? Airport to here. Laging na sis. We're gonna do a house tour, our very, very cute Airbnb. And this is very, very new. I think tayo pa lang ang first guest, no? For this room. I think it's very new. So this is the door. And then when you enter, remove your shoes. Tapos may lagayan dito ng shoes. Ayan. Oh my God, may pas... Ayan naman. Salamat. And then we have the washing machine, washer, dryer, body detergent, towels, and then, close ko muna. And then, when you open, it's our very cute bathroom. Ang liit-liit niya, sis. But it's cute. It's very, very new. Ang bango, as in super bango na bagong paint. And then this door is, tada! The Japanese toilet. Ang laki ng toilet. Here, kitchen sink. What's down here? Oh, there's utensils and kettle. Oh my God, it's really new. Like, sobrang bango niya pa na paint. And then we have a sink, toothbrush. So pretty. Ay, galing tong Muji. Alam ko. Sure ako dyan. Sure. Then meron tayong ref, microwave. And then, I'm facing the bedroom. O, i-close muna natin, tapos open ko. Diyan ka na lang. Wait lang, ha? Now, this is our room. Medyo madumi na siya. Ay, hindi lang naman. Nagbukas lang kami ng mga luggage. Yun lang yung naiba. So, this is our bed. Isa lang ang bed dahil wala, yun lang na-afford. And then there's a tiny table here. As in, everything smells so new. Let's close this para naman makita ninyo. And then this one is like mga utilities. Yung may tawag mo dun. So, that's it. That's it for the room tour. A very, very cute Airbnb. It's so bango. It's very new. Kaya lang there's no elevator, but it's fine. Kasi nasa second floor lang kami. Okay, time to eat. Bye! Oh my God, Shibuya Crossing! Shibuya Crossing! No, pag mag-go, manag-run sila towards the middle.
Here?
Yeah, or like anywhere para walang tao. I have this video before sa stories ko na naglakad ako sa by Gmall. Pero sobrang dami tao. Tapos ang location ko, Shibuya. Tapos ang daming naloko. Akala nila nasa Tokyo ako. Legit na guys, legit. I'm so haggard. It's almost 9 p.m. and we have yet to eat dinner. Here at Shibuya Crossing, makikipagsaka na lang tayo. Bigat, kailangan mo bumaba.
Kailangan ko mag-adjust, girl.
So short. If it's going to stop like after a run. Di naman siya nakakahiya because we're all doing the same thing, right? Going home with our
Shopping.
Family Mart haul.
Bawal na pala.
Kakakain lang namin. Gutom na naman siya.
Kapoy bakras ba?
Ang lamig, ang lamig. Dito po kami nakatira. It's a town life. It's very, very quiet here. As in, it's super quiet. Kanina we got here 6 p.m.
And murag ghost.
Well, actually, parang siyang ghost town. Parang
Super
wala siyang
mingaw.
tao.
Kaya kanina po si ask kay John na bakit parang walang tao mga restaurants nila? Like, wala, mingaw.
This is, it's about an hour train ride to Shibuya. So this is how it looks like. Good morning! I'm by the door because I already have my shoes on and I'm waiting for the Prince Cedric to be done. Let's go. Napakuha ko ng chair kasi para may maupuan ako habang naghihintay ako dahil nagbubumbaya siya sa CR. So, yan. Nagkabangs tayo today. We're heading out! This is our first official full day here in Tokyo. And this is what I'm wearing today. Can you show them what I'm wearing today? This is a Zara cardigan, a Uniqlo, a Forever 21 silk skirt. And this is a thrifted coat from many, many years ago. We are going to... Where are we going today? Tokyo Sky Tree?
No.
Yeah, Asakusa.
Okay.
That's where... Yeah, we're going there. We just had breakfast at the hotel. So we're going to the train station. The train station is just 5 minutes. And it's so hot na. So goodbye! No. Ayaw niya kasi maniwala sa akin. Ayaw niya maniwala sa akin. We're here already. We're here. That's the Tokyo Sky Tree. Oh my god, it's so high up. And there's a Christmas market. It would be so pretty at night. Mas na-excite ako dito. Dun sa Christmas market. I love, love, love. Can you move here? Don't take photos of your friends like this. Are you even friends? I'm like on the floor. You're on the floor. Fun fact, do you know na ang gumawa ng Tokyo Sky Tree is a train company? Because they own the lot.
Ooh, they have a lot.
Hi, it's finally lunchtime. At nahanap na din namin si Kamakura. I've tried here before in Osaka. And now I'm letting Ced try. So we're getting this. Order! It's so forgot home na kami. It's 12:27. We had breakfast. We had breakfast at like 10 a.m. And then 12:30. Tama lang naman. So, bye! See you when the food is here or not. Food's here. Kulang na lang ng chicken. So, let's eat. I spoke too soon. Can I get one cinnamon? see here outside. Tapos, alam niyo na kung saan ako dediretso after. It's right behind me. Wait, aside from that view, we also have the Sky Tower view. Goodbye, Coco Martin. May pogi na guy na gusto kaming itour, yung isasakay ka sa ganyan, tapos siya ang hihila. Sabi niya, I can take you wherever you want. And I said, take me home. Take me home to a place I belong, West Virginia. Kumanta na nga tayo. And this is the Sensoji Temple. Tada! Japan, Japan. Sagot sa kahirapan. That's it. Uwi na tayo. So when you cross the gate, this is what you will see. So for daming tao. There are souvenirs. Can you show them how wide it is? Like lawak, how layo. And also there's so much people. Ang bango though. What you call this? Strawberry daifuku? I don't really know. I forgot. So this is custard, not the red bean because I don't like red bean. Ang sarap ng strawberry. It's so good. Medyo maasim yung strawberry but it's so good. And since we're here at the eating area, magmumukbang na lang tayo. What's that other one? Sweet soy sauce rice cake. Amoy toyo nga siya. Sweet soy sauce nga. Mmm. 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 It's like mochi, but it's good. Yummy. It's yummy.
So let's try the strawberry chocolate with pistachios. Maafon pa nito.
I'm so tired. I'm tired of you, said. Charing.
Wow.
Ang kapal na mukha. Tapos ikaw yung may hawak ng camera. Aham. Masarap ng chocolate. So, what do you call this melon? An orange melon.
Red something melon.
But it's orange. Girl, dito talaga ako pinaglihi, girl. Anyway, nag-aaway kami. Wow, so this is after the gates. That's the temple, Sensoji temple. Like, you have to go inside. Oh my God! Oh my God! Weather update po natin. Ay, ma-windy. Weather update. Ayan. Ipakita mo sa kanila, said, kung anong itsura. There's the temple right there. You enter right there. Magnanarrate na lang ako habang tinutour niya kayo. Ikot niya kayo. And then you will see the view of the sky tree. So we're here already at Ueno Park and naabutan na kami ng dilim because we just walked. It was a 30-minute walk, 35-minute walk. It would have been so nice if may araw pa because look at the trees. Ano na siya? Autumn leaves are showing, like they changed color already. So yan. Ganda sana nito ng iningal ako. Naglakad kami ng 35 minutes. Sige, imagine nyo na lang na my son. Editor, please edit. Ako din yung editor. See, it's so pretty. Ang ganda sana nito if may araw. Ilang beses ko ba kailangan sabihin yun? Anyway, take my pick. That's it for Ueno Park at night. Eating at Genki Conveyor Belt Sushi.
It's funny.
Yeah. So, ito na nga. Cheers! In Ueno! Good night! Bye! Okay, so good morning guys! It's our second full day today and here's my outfit! I'm so cute. Feel ko schoolgirl ako. This is a GU Parka, Zara, and yeah, wala na yang branded na yan siya. Brandless na yan siya, I mean. So today, we're going to Harry Potter Studios, Harry Potter Studios. You will see later. Meron akong Harry Potter na costumes. Oh my god, that's so exciting. So we're headed to the station now para diretso na kami doon sa place ng Harry Potter studio because it's a bit far. So I'll see you there. Guess where we are, the train station. Sa Harry Potter. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to cry.
Ang daming assistant.
I love
Parang small laude level. Ang daming assistant. Ganda naman ng outfit.
So, we're here at the making of Harry Potter! And look at my outfit. I'm from the house of Gryffindor. Hindi ako si Hermione. Ako si Hismione. Forme ng joke. Okay, that's our schedule. Oh my god, we're going in. I'm so excited. Oh my god, can you show? Pakita mo naman si Hagrid and Harry. And then the Slytherin. And then yung glasses ni Harry Potter. And then ako. Food hall. Hogwarts Christmas. This is the gift shop. Guys, take note. Nasa entrance pa lang. We're still at the entrance. And I'm already crying. I cannot. Oh, I'm here. Naiyak ako talaga. Friday, the September 29, 2000, day 1 of filming. Oh my God. Super bata pa. God, there's Fantastic Beasts na here. Opening day pala tayo. Wow! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm crying. Naiyak ako.
Uyak talaga eh.
HR, Human Resource. Ay, sinipa. Boo! Camera doesn't give this justice. What the hell? Oh my god. Hagrid's hut. Trying butterbeer for the first time. Smells very, very sweet. It's sweet. It's yummy. Do you know yung butterball na candy? If you know butterball the candy, this is what this is what it tastes like. I'll insert a picture of a butterball candy here. Okay, goodbye. We are lining up to go inside Harry's house. It has been 2 hours and wala akong hindi ako nagsasalita sa vlog because I'm just
3 hours.
3 hours now.
2.5.
2.5. I was so immersed in the experience. It's so beautiful. The line is long. And then that over there is the bus. This naman is sa Hogwarts. Yung courtyard. Papuntang courtyard. So let's not forget Hagrid's motorcycle right over there. It's the cupboard under the stairs.
膨らんでいるんですけど、これ CG じゃないんですよ。そうなんです。お洋服に。ナイスキャッチ。
Why? What happened?
いってらっしゃい。
Wala, kasarap naman ang pagkain nila. Oh my god. Hogwarts 9 3/4. We are entering the Hogwarts train. Hogwarts train. I hope you can see. Is it Nip Nip? Nip Nip. Oh, we have the same skirt. Another scene from the Chamber of Secrets. I am wearing in my uniform. It's so cool. It's so cool. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. May mga Dementors sa labas na. Oh my god, there's a Dementor right there. A Dementor. Another Dementor. That's it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am in awe. This is so crazy. Oh my god. You have to experience this in person. Like, OMG, the camera doesn't give justice to how beautiful it is. It's so freaking beautiful. So cool. I am at Diagon Alley. Nighttime. In a while, oh, it's turning into daytime. And then this is the Gringotts Bank. After the Harry Potter experience, it was 4-5 hours. Hungry, famine chicky, but the spicy one. I think I like better as a spicy person, spicy lover. So I'm just eating sausage. And then my favorite, sweet potato as a kamote girl. Kita mo yung usok? Did you see the usok? So you have to peel it. It's still muusok pa siya. Oh my god, ang init. Pero ang sarap.
Sarap.
Wishy. Here at Shinjuku, and there's Godzilla Head. It's like a busier Shibuya. Roar, 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 as in Mia. So hi guys, good morning. As you can see, it is raining. This is our last full day in Tokyo. Hi Ate, good morning. I'm wearing, what am I wearing? This top, where did I get this top? In Malaysia. My skirt is from Uniqlo. And I'm wearing thermals. I'm not wearing a jacket today because I'm wearing thermals both up and down, and I'm wearing gloves. So, yun, we're just going to Ginza. We're supposed to go to Tsukiji Market, but it's raining. I don't want to do outdoor stuff when it's raining. So we're going to Ginza. We're gonna have coffee. When it's raining, you shop. So see you at Ginza. Goodbye. Hi, we are already at Ginza and we are lining up for coffee. Apparently, it's famous. I don't know the name of the coffee shop. I asked said to search for one, huh? Glitch. Ay, may glitch pala. Glitch roasters, roastery, glitch roasters. Can you show them the line? May clear pala. I just want coffee. Sana nag 7-Eleven na lang ako. Okay, we're lining up. I guess. Update, I didn't want to wait in line for coffee because I badly need coffee already. Ginza! Shopping time! Ginza on the weekends. Every afternoon, they close down the street for cars. Bye, Airbnb. You were fun. Goodbye. Your QR and then your password. Dahil na-pass yan siya. 2D2E, right?